So what is the moot point like this Diwali? The on-the-record conversations, the off-the-record conversations. And, we've been meeting a lot of people, have been attending a lot of, Diwali get-togethers. The sense I've come back with is that the raging bull market is over, but the bull market is not over. The difference in a raging bull market and a bull market is that everything in a bull market goes higher, a rising tide phenomenon. In a earnings-driven bull market, there would be a bull market and a bear market which would be parallel to each other. So within a sector, there would be stocks which would make a 52-week high. There would be stocks which will rush towards a 52-week low. And I think it's there in a lot of sectors like banking, or for that matter, even in manufacturing, even for that matter in autos. I think that's one powerful difference what you will see this Diwali. The bull market, the raging bull market is over, but a earnings driven bull market is high. And if indeed this is the earnings driven bull market, you will actually see low expectations, and you should keep moderate return expectations. That's one part. Where can you make money? The consensus view is private sector banks. Banks, it is the big ones, will grow anywhere between 12 to 15%. Economy is not expected to grow in 12 to 15%. A lot of companies are going through a cyclical slowdown. So suddenly a 12 to 15% earnings growth with a decent balance sheet, which was looking not attractive, will start looking attractive. So banks and large private banks are due for a comeback. Second theme, I think, would be energy transition, whether it is solar, whether it is wire, whether it is pure transmitters. I think that space will continue to chug along very well, and more IPOs, more and more companies will go public there. Third, it's time to be cautious when it comes to consumer tech and fintech, because the run-up has been strong. They could go through a cyclical slowdown, and a lot of PE investors could start selling or reducing their stake, which could lead to paper supply. Third theme is going to be CDMO, at least for next 6 to 8 months, where trend seems to be indicating. So you've got companies which are in CDMO, Divi's or Laurus or Jubilant, Piramal Pharma. That space looks interesting. Luxury housing, I think, as a theme is real, it will continue. You will also see some outperformance, which essentially could come in some of the so-called financial derivative companies, because that's where the SIP culture and the entire financial inclusion theme will continue. Bottom line here is that it's not going to be impossible to make money, but it will be very stock specific bets which you will have to take, rather than having a real approach where you can buy anything and make money. I think now you need to choose what you want to buy, why you want to buy. Like I said, the raging bull market is over, but in this market now, a bull market and a bear market, I think, will clearly coexist.